Christian from XPM, a Valiantis company, here to take you through our final video topic. It's going to be the Jira integration, where we'll be learning how to get Jira into Confluence outside of Jira so you can talk about Jira with your non-Jira people. What I've got right now is a separate page just for our Jira integration. You can tell that I made that. A child of this page will be looking at the page tree, so I hit the plus button there to make that page. I'm going to go to edit mode. And on this page, I'm going to hit the macro button and I'm going to type in Jira. I will go to Jira issues. The first thing I can do is I'm going to just get a filter to show up from Jira into Confluence. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the sample Scrum project and we'll get that. I could have it show up as a list. I could have it show up as an inline link. I'm going to go ahead and just have it be a list. And then I'm going to go ahead and drag myself over here. Bring myself down and hit insert issues. So now I've got the Jira information available in Confluence, so I can talk about it with people who are not necessarily in Jira software. What I can also do, what is also very powerful, just requires remembering to hit a certain button that I will make sure to show you. Same pathway, we're on edit mode. I'm going to type in Jira again on the macros. And I'm going to get just one issue this time. So I'm going to do quotation marks, sample Scrum project, issue number 1. I'm going to get just that one. And I'm going to remember to, instead of having a list view, I'm going to do an inline link on this option at the top. And I'm going to insert just this one issue, because then I'm going to have an option I did not have available otherwise. I'm going to hit update. But now that this information is actually here, I'll go back into edit mode. And I've got some options with this single issue. I could have this show up just as a URL on the inline that it is right now that you can see, a card. But here's the one that I really want to show you is the embed option. What this allows me to do, and it has all the information right here. I'm going to hit update. I can actually, while I am talking to my team outside of Jira, about this issue, I can actually work on this issue from here, and the information will also happen over in Jira. This is incredibly powerful. You'd have to insert the issues one at a time that you'd want to be working on while you're discussing this way outside of Jira, but it's just really, really cool. Next, I want to show you some Jira charts to get some dashboard gadgets from Jira outside of Jira. So I'm going to hit edit one more time. And we're going to do Jira charts. So I'm going to make some space here. I'm going to scroll down, get past all this stuff. And so this time I am going to hit the slash key and Jira. And we want Jira charts for this one. And what I want to do here is I'm going to make a pie chart. And so those are my three options. And I'm going to just have it be project equals sample Scrum project. And then it's going to retrieve the information, and I can click my display options to say, okay, do I want it to be by the assignee? So you can see how many issues that I have versus that are unassigned. That's pretty good. You can also go with priority, and you can see it gives you a preview. You can have a border around it to create some more definition, but you choose a field, and then you can get a pie chart based on that field. I'll go ahead and put it back to assignee, and then keep going. Another chart that is excellent is the two-dimensional chart. I'm just going to do project equals SSP again. And my display options here, we can see what I've got already configured. We've got status and assignee. This is my favorite one. I love that it's by default here. You can see that I've got 5 issues in progress, 14 done, etc. for a total of 25. There are this many unassigned in these different statuses, but you can also change the different different axes of information. So you can then arrange your information and create that chart that way and insert it outside of Jira for discussion. Incredibly powerful, quick to configure. I like it a lot. Those are some quick ways of getting Jira information outside of Jira into Confluence to talk with your teams who may not be in Jira but need to talk about Jira every once in a while. Thanks a lot. Hope this was helpful.